Hi, my name is Kurnikam. I am a freelance web developer and Udemy instructor. This is the first video tutorial of MySQL tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will understand what is SQL and what is MySQL. We will also learn the benefits of learning SQL or structured query language. Let's get started. SQL. The full form is Structured Query Language. The SQL language lets you interact with relational databases. SQL is used in all major relational databases. The example of relational databases are Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, and so on. SQL was developed at IBM by Donald Chamberlain and Raymond Boyce. It was initially called Structured English Query Language or SQL. SQL is ANSI standard, American National Standards Institute standard, and ISO standard, International Organization for Standardization standard. The most frequently asked question is how to pronounce the language. Some developers pronounce it as letters SQL, while some pronounce it as a word SQL. Both the pronunciations are widely used and recognized. As an official ISO standard spells and pronounces the language as letters SQL, we can say the most correct way to pronounce the language is as letters SQL. But as I said, both the pronunciations are widely used and recognized, so you are free to pronounce what you like. You probably already know the benefits of learning SQL. That's why you are watching this tutorial. Though I will add some additional benefits you may not know. If you are a student and you have SQL for your syllabus, then learning SQL will be beneficial for your academic purpose. For web designers and web developers, they can learn SQL to develop database-driven websites or dynamic web applications that stores the website data in relational databases. Desktop and mobile application developers also need databases to store the application information. If you learn SQL, you can effectively interact your applications with databases. Databases are also used in network applications. So if you are a network application developer, then having SQL skill is beneficial for you. In short, SQL is used with applications that use databases, and all major database softwares use SQL. MySQL is a database management system. In simple words, MySQL is a software that actually stores data. MySQL is one of the most popular relational database management systems. We will understand what is relational database and how to create table relationships in a separate tutorial. SQL was developed in 1995 and in 2010, Sun Microsystems purchased MySQL. The Sun Microsystem, currently known as Oracle Corporation. Currently, MySQL is developed and maintained by Oracle Corporation. In this tutorial series, we will learn SQL by using MySQL database. Here in this video tutorial, we learn what is SQL and what is MySQL. If you have any question, suggestion or doubts related to this tutorial, you can ask me questions in the comment section of this video. In the next tutorial of this series, we will install MySQL on our computer so that we can practically learn SQL statements. If you are new on this channel, I would suggest you to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss future tutorials. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.